This is a demonstration of the OptimEyes Filter Tool. The Filter Tool is used to apply convolution filters to images to, for example, sharpen, smooth, find edges in various directions, apply high-pass or low-pass filters, and so on. So let's open an image and apply a filter. By default, if there's an active ROI in an image, the Filter Tool will process only the area inside the ROI. That behavior can be changed by clicking the ROI button and selecting a different option. But we want to stick with the default option, so let's click Cancel. Then we'll select the image in the active viewport as the input image, and we'll leave the output image blank to tell the Filter Tool to create a new image for its output. Next, we'll select the Prewitt filter, which is an omnidirectional edge-finding filter. As you can see, the Prewitt filter has two convolution kernels. The first finds edges horizontally, and the second finds edges vertically. The kernel dimensions are 3 by 3, but we could change that and fill in values for the additional cells if we wish, but we'll stick with the standard 3 by 3 kernels. We'll click Run to apply the filter, and as you can see, an omnidirectional edge-finding operation has been performed on the area inside the active ROI in our input image.